Achieve wealth or massive money when a native will earn through his business or through his job. That can be explained through Mahadhana Yoga. It is one of the best Dhana Yoga in the classics. In classics, it is called Mahalakshmi Dhana Yoga. Actually, when 11th house and 5th house is linked, 11th house positive planet aspecting the 5th house, and 5th house positive planet aspecting the 11th house, this yoga is formed. Not only that, Mercury should be specially placed in the 5th house, and Jupiter and Mars to be placed on the 11th house. That means Jupiter and Mars aspecting the Mercury, and Mercury aspecting the Jupiter and Mars. That is why it is called Mahadhana Yoga. To activate this yoga, second house planet is very important. Second house in Kalpurusha Kundali, it is the house of Venus, Taurus sign. So when Taurus sign is planet is exalted, or Taurus sign lords, that is Venus is placed there, then this yoga gives immense result, immense wealth or huge money the native will get in his Mahadasha or Antardasha. That may be Mahadasha of Jupiter, Antardasha of the Mercury, or Mahadasha of the Jupiter, Antardasha of the Mars. May be there. This type of combination, Mahadasha, Antardasha, the native will get huge money, massive wealth. To activate this yoga, only 11th house, 5th house restriction that should be supporting by the other houses. That means Sun is the strength of mind, the willpower. So Sun should be strongly placed either in directional strength, that means in 1st house, or in 5th house, that means in Aries sign or Leo sign. Not only that, Lagna Lord should be highly stable, and the moon, the mindset, so moon placement also important here. So when all the parameters, that means second house supported, moon is well placed, Lagna Lord is strong, and 11th house Jupiter and Mars is present, and in the 5th house Mercury is present. This yoga will be again benefited, more and more result there will be when the 11th house is the house of Jupiter. That means it may be Sagittarius or Pisces. And 5th house that of linked with the Mercury, that means either Gemini and Virgo. In that case, this yoga, the native tremendous amount of wealth or massive money the native will earn from his business or other activities of his talent or his creation. He can earn a particular Mahadasha and Antardasha. Now we are coming to the chart to explain this Mahadhana Yoga. Mahadhana Yoga in brief, 11th house linked with 5th house, and other planet should be strong in the chart, including Lagna Lord, and highest support should be obtained from the second house. When second house Lord is exalted, second house in Kalpurusha Kundali posited by the Venus, then this result will be in the highest degree. The native will go to the highest destiny of financial strength. Now we are coming to the chart. This is the chart, massive money or immense wealth through the Mahadhana Yoga. It is the chart of Taurus ascendant, in which in the 11th house of Pisces, Jupiter in Mars is placed. And in the 5th house, here, it is the Virgo sign, Mercury is present. Now Jupiter and Mars gives his 7th aspect on Mercury, and reversely, Mercury gives 7th aspect on Jupiter and Mars. Here Lagna Lord is very strong, the Lagna Lord Moon, Venus, is placed in its own sign. And Moon is also exalted in Taurus sign. Not only that, second house, Rahu here is exalted. Sun also in the fourth house aspecting the 10th house and in the Leo sign. So this type of native's chart gives huge money or immense wealth during the Mahadasha of Jupiter or Antardasha of Mercury or Mahadasha of Mars, Antardasha of Jupiter also. Now coming to the another chart. It is the Aquarius ascendant. In ascendant Lord, Saturn is placed in the Lagna. So Lagna is very strong. In this case, Moon is also posited in the Taurus sign. Second house is very strong. Venus is placed in Pisces. So Venus is exalted. The second house very strong. Now the 11th house, Jupiter and Mars aspecting the 5th house Mercury. This is actually a Mahadhana yoga. Here Mercury aspecting the Jupiter Mars and Jupiter Mars aspecting the Mercury. So this is Aquarius ascendant and that is Taurus ascendant. In that this Mahadhana yoga is very perfectly there since Jupiter is placed in own sign. Jupiter is very strong here. Mars is present in 10th house. Here in Pisces, Jupiter is present in Pisces. Here on the Aquarius, Jupiter is present in the Sagittarius. So both the cases, Jupiter is very strong. Not only that, in both the chart, Venus is very strong. That is why this Mahadhana Yoga will, the native get his money, in particular Mahadasha and Antardasha. In classics, it is called Dhana Lakshmi Yoga.